This tweet is by Vikash, who is a master's in sociology and announced that he's ready to work as a daily wage laborer in the unorganized sector. I'm Arun Singh. Today, Vikash joins us for a conversation. First, I ask him what was his mental space when he tweeted this.
Hello, thank you so much for inviting me here. So the problem was I was quite tired of sending emails to so many NGOs and other organizations for work, since there was even not work in the pandemic type, but everybody was asking me for having some experience without giving any opportunity to me. How could I have any experience? That was the one thing. And in this pandemic, so what happened, there was no a project going on anywhere work. So even the in unorganized sector, there was no opportunity for me. So the idea stuck in my mind that I can tweet on the Twitter. So I tweeted there, but I did not anticipate that much response from the people. It was not like a recently picture. It was the picture clicked by my last few months ago, when I was able to work in the first corona wave, in the first wave of the pandemic. That time I clicked there. I went to a grain market, so I worked there. So that time was and I was trying to so many people misinterpreted that tweet also, and I do still that work. I was able to do that work that time in the first corona wave, but right now I don't even have any work. I did not have any work.
Okay, I also want to read this data from Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, and as per that, it shows unemployment rate in May shot up to 11.9% compared to 7.97% in April. This has been the highest in 1 year, so situation is definitely bad, and people like Vikash have been at the forefront fighting this. Now, I also want to talk to you about the response. As you only said in your words, you got a commendable response. Are things better now? Could you get an employment opportunity via Twitter or any other platform?
Yeah, there was so many people who reached out to me, who asked me about what I'm doing, and what sort of in condition I'm. So I'm really thankful from the bottom of my heart, those people who reached out to me. And it was really appreciate effort from the people. I did not expect that thing, that people will come and reach out to me in that way. That was really warming for me. I felt that people are so much warming up me. So I felt that there is some belongingness in this world also. Right now people are offering me some good offers, also me to me. So that's really, and I have accepted some projects also, I'm going to work.
So you've attached a resume as well, but
Yes.
if you can share your credentials for us.
Yeah, see, I'm an postgraduate from Ambedkar University in sociology. In bachelor, I did mass communications also. Right now, I'm pursuing an MA in literature from Kurukshetra University. Apart from that, I'm an eligible to become a professor also. And I have qualified national eligibility test also. So that's what about me. But I did not want a specific job. I was not looking. I wanted something to support myself, financially. So that was the scenario there. I feel that I can do some writing stuff and all other things also if given the opportunity. But I was somewhere and why people are not asking me, because everybody was running, so I can come at your village, so we want to have a interview of but what will I get it? I know this is in a sociology there is one famous quote also, in vulture culture.
Okay, now that you mentioned, I hope those who are at the decision making position, I hope they see this and definitely take some steps. And as you said, you definitely had a better position, but I hope that it goes up and above from here. Vikash, any closing remarks from you?
See, and there's a one closing remark. And I would say that people made me to feel very good about them. And people really care somewhere. And I was very pessimistic. And why don't these people? But still, they do care, and I'm really thankful to the people. That's what.
Of course, social media has been a great support in these tough times, whether it was about finding beds, oxygen cylinders, or employment in your case. Thank you so very much, Vikas, for talking to us.
Thank you.